You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this fascinating word. This one is absolutely fascinating. There are indeed different ways of pronouncing it. I've seen other videos that say otherwise. No, there are different ways. So you can either pronounce the W or just start from the H. Hoop or whoop. All right, just go whoop or hoop. Now, there is a slight difference in sound that you can also use, which can be hoop. All right, hoop or whoop. So it's either whoop or hoop, or whoop or hoop. Can you hear the difference? It's very subtle, but it exists. So those are the 4 different pronunciations in English. And now you know. Let me know in the comments what you thought. Can you hear the difference and how do you pronounce it? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.